Hello YouTube, this is Salam. This video is meant for beginner or people follow my channel, and if they have a question on how to cut specific angles or something on metal, so I could refer them to this video. This tool over here is very important. They call it the speedy square or the framing square. I call it the framing square because it's designed for carpenter. They use it to cut wood at 90 degree, 45 degree. They also use it with the plumb bob to figure out the angle of the rafters. I will get the camera closer and I show you how I use this tool. I hope you enjoy this video. Depends on the manufacturer of the framing square. They have extra feature that you could use. For example, this one has a 1/4 inch increment. You could put your marker and cut 1 3/4, 2 inches, 2 1/4, 2 1/2, 2 3/4, 3 inches, etc. And you could mark straight line with your marker. Mainly I use this one to find 90 degrees, 45 degrees, etc. This has this pivot point. Once again, this is designed for carpenters to use it with the plumb bob. And this over here show you the degrees mark. I put it against the metal where I want to cut it. This is my mark. And this will give me a perfect 90 degrees. Straight line is 180 degrees. So you have 90 degrees this way and 90 degrees this way. Now let us say you want to cut 95 degrees or 85 degrees. What you do, you could put this at the pivot point and set the degrees mark to 5. Now if you cut at this line, you're going to get 95 degrees cut over here and 85 degrees over here. Let us say you want to cut 30 degrees. 180 degrees minus 30 is going to be 150. To get to 150 from 90, you set this as 60 degrees. I set it as 60 degrees and I mark it. Now I have 150 degrees over here and I have 30 degrees over here. Let us say I want to cut 45. I set this at 45. I marked it. This is going to be 45 degrees over here and 135 degrees over here. You could also use 45 like this. I just thought to give you this example. This is very useful. I just use it to cut couple jigs at 60 degrees. And this is over here is perfect 60 degrees. I want to weld some metal at 120 degrees. So if I put the metal against this, I will get 120 degrees this way and 60 degrees this way. I hope this video was informative. Thank you for watching and thank you for your support, and I'll see you later.